Hi guys, this is our new decoupler switch. Just want to show you how to change the mode from coupled mode to decoupled mode. Out of the box the switch comes in coupled mode. If you touch the switch you can hear the click of the relay. To put it into decoupled mode, with the one gang we're going to use our imagination and pretend that it has 3 buttons on it. So we'll just use a ruler here. We're going to put a little dot 3 centimeters out on each side. We're just going to pretend this is now has 3 buttons, and these other 2 buttons are going to be used to engage decoupling mode. So we simply go to the switch and go, starting on the left hand side, go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 times. Tap the center switch twice, and then you wait about 30 seconds and it'll engage decoupling mode. Now when you use the switch, it is handed over control to the Zigbee network. So the switch is now maintaining power to your light, but it has the control through the Zigbee network. To switch this one back to coupled mode, again you just reverse the procedure of what you did before, using our 2 imaginary buttons, and we go, starting again on the left hand side, go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Tap the center one twice. You'll hear a small click, and that's it switching back into coupled mode. And that's all there is to it. Now this is back to being a coupled switch, which will turn the power off to the light. And you don't need to put a texter mark on there, but it just makes it a little bit easier. Key thing is to start on your left hand side and do 3 series of 2 and then 2 taps on the center switch.